what's going on? Moto Muna here. We're going to Publix real quick to grab milk, rubber bands for this new thing I did. And what else? There was one other thing. I'll think about it when we get there. But we're already... I'll check my phone for that. A Reese's cup. Oh, they got cookie cake. Oh, I missed this. This is the best cereal you can possibly get. Right here. They don't have the my favorite flavor, which is cinnamon, but oh, they do. It's over here. Go over. Possibly. I'm here for Hot Wheels. Ooh, and super glue. That was another thing. My katana keeps falling out, or falling off the little tip on it. So, see that. I don't see rubber bands though. I see colorful rubber bands. Shit, 99 cents. I need milk. They got the milk I like, but I want to drink the fat-free stuff. Because I'm cutting currently. I've lost 30 pounds. Yeah, I'll take that. Alright. Got everything I need. Bread. Margarine. Biscuits. Cream cheese. Oh, it's only one. No, it's it. And we're back on the bike. I don't think this light's gonna work for me because I'm so small. Step on it with all 400 pounds of my ass. I know it's a pressure sensor. Maybe we'll just lay the bike down like I did yesterday. While we're waiting on this light, I'll let past me explain what happened yesterday. I'm going to basically go over with you what happened. This is after Crash Me, joined by my friend during Crash Me, and together we're going to basically articulate what happened to me, the motorcycle, the bike, and my camera. I did a stoppie yesterday that was a little gloaty. I think it was a little over my limit of riding. And basically what happened is me is going to perform this maneuver using imagery and editing skills that I don't have, but future me does. Here is when I performed the stoppie, my feet were on the pegs. What happened here was my feet started moving up and out. Then I was over the bike, standing just like this. This is imagery, of course. This is actually me standing. And the bike started to tip over to the side, so it's going to start tipping over. and the bike started slowly moving back. So I let it go to the side as much as it wanted to, and then it started landing on the floor. And that is when the front half of this camera got damaged. Just the lens protector though, unfortunately, but you know, it protected everything else. And then I picked the bike up and rode off. Thank you, Lee. That's basically what happened. Now back to your scheduled programming, or whatever is happening in the video right now. Bye-bye.
Alright, back on the road. Everything from here, smooth sailing. I don't know what this headlight. Sometimes it senses me, sometimes it doesn't. Like I said, inside the shop, I don't have my task cam with me, my external microphone. So everything sounds a bit weird. That's a pretty cool chair. I hope it's not too windy, but I hope you can still hear me nonetheless. I wanted to talk a bit quieter in this video, but that's not the case because I don't have my external. Just today I wanted to talk about my cruise control. Completely handless driving. I did it because this is all long stretched roads with very little green light, and I have to pay attention. And I'm only going about 27 miles an hour, which if the speed limit is 25, not very fast. But it allows me to talk with both of my hands, and everybody gets a weird look at me. Got my Insta on the tripod, or on the selfie stick on the front of my bike to give it more of a first-person view, or more of a front-facing view. It also helps me record anything coming up, and it gives me a little bit of stopping room to pay attention to. Like green lights nonetheless. That guy had a pretty cool. I don't think that was a Harley. I think that was a Suzuki Boulevard today. And also, how cool it is. I mean, I can just like do that. I'm completely free. It's just so cool. Like, this is totally awesome. Is it not? Like, just being able to do this. I wouldn't do it on a bigger bike, probably, but then I can take photos when I get my camera bag eventually. I'm saving up for that. And when I go on group rides, I can take pictures of people. This should be super fun. I do have to get a hand mount that is a little better. And if this thing was, the only thing that would make this bike even better for photography versus stunting, I do like it that it's manual, is if it had an automatic transmission. Then I could shift down and brake with all one hand, basically, while taking pictures. It'd be super cool, but nonetheless, it's super nice for stuff like this. You know, this guy's going pretty slow. I think I can get a decent following distance while maintaining speed. There's nobody behind me. All I have to do is activate it. I did kill switch myself earlier. I thought I destroyed my bike. I was so upset. I was so sad, I should say. This will be good. I think I'm going about 23, possibly 24. See? Constant 24. A little bit less. 22, 23. Going 24. Perfect. That is a destroyed couch. I would turn that into a go-kart personally if I had the money, if I had the funding. Get two electric skateboards, put them on the sides like we used to did a long time ago. It was supposed to be really sunny today, but it turned into a cloudy mess. Let's see this Harley rider up here, like old man driving. Or if he's, it's a sport bike, never mind. He's like, yep. Up on my turn here. 3:34, I just gotta get to work. I'll cut to me doing the lottery tickets now.
Welcome back. This is the lottery ticket part of the portion, and I just did them all, but unfortunately the GoPro wasn't recording, even though it beeped. So I'll run through the numbers really quickly with you. We got a 7 in the first one, a 9, a 1, a 10, a 6, and a 2. That was not a winner. This one was a 2, a 10, an 8, a 7, and 2 2s. We won $2. So $2 profit. 9, 8, 3, 10, 1, 4, 7, 1, 2, 9, 3, 10, and a 1, a 3, a 4, an 8, and a 2, and a 7. So we only got one winner, but it was $2, so we paid $2 profit, $5, so we had a loss of $3. In any case, thank you for watching. I'll play the rest of the video now of me basically just ending the video. So have a good one and subscribe. Bye.